How to create a passive income selling digital products. Creating passive income by selling digital products is an excellent way to generate revenue without constant effort. Let's explore how you can get started. Understand digital products. Digital products are downloadable files that customers can access online. Examples include ebooks, templates, online courses, and more. These products require no physical inventory, making them cost-effective and easy to manage. Choose your product type. Consider what you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. Choose a product type that aligns with your expertise. Some popular digital product ideas include ebooks. Write and sell informative ebooks on topics relevant to your audience. Printables. Create templates, planners, or artwork that users can download and print. Online courses. Develop comprehensive courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Software tools. Build tools or apps that solve specific problems. Photography or artwork. Sell high-quality digital images or designs. Music or audio files. Offer royalty-free music or guided meditations. Graphic design templates. Design logos, social media templates, or website themes. Production and platforms. Use digital tools like Canva, Adobe Creative Cloud, or Figma to create your product. Set up an online store on platforms such as Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify to sell your digital products. Optimize your product listings with compelling descriptions, pricing, and relevant tags. Promote your products. Leverage social media, email marketing, and SEO to drive traffic to your store. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers to reach a wider audience. Consider offering limited-time discounts or bundles to attract buyers. Automate and scale. Once your product is live, it becomes a passive income stream. Continuously improve your product based on customer feedback. Explore other digital product ideas to diversify your offerings and increase income. Remember, consistency and quality matter. Start small, learn from your experiences, and gradually expand your digital product portfolio. Get started today with social media growth done for your digital products and learn all the necessary tools for building your brand and creating your own digital marketing business today.